fact, it's very important on this Environment Day. Today we need the support of everybody. As we said, we have ZPO here, Manish Naik, they have a Sarpanch, Ranjit Uzgankar. We have all the other members, Sunita Panch member, as well as Rajan Naruji is here, as well as Pratiksha and all of us. But my request is that all of them, I am very happy the full support has been given to the youngsters of Aldona. But it's important also the landowners, which belongs to various people over here. They should cooperate and let these plants grow, and they should also take care. There could be a controversy as well as planted, but I'm sure Ranjit and all the members have taken care of this, and it's important that all of us, not only you have taken the initiative. I really appreciate it. Great work there, and we should all ensure that like a small child, we have to take care of this on day-to-day basis and make sure that the plant grows beautifully. As it is very, very important that trees give a lot of beauty, a lot of fresh and everything. And as I said, as Matson has said, in fact, even Aldona village has been said to be the most beautiful village in the world. It is there in GOANEWS. So we have to maintain this beautiful constancy of our growth, which whenever people come from other continents, they say this place is really beautiful, a lot of beautiful greenery, hills, fields. So let us keep up the good work, and you youngsters, I am telling you, all are doing a good job. I congratulate you all, and let us work together, be together, and ensure that we keep Aldona green and clean and beautiful.
My name is Matson, and today I am very happy to be here, to be a part of this, to start an initiative. Looking at this road, I remember I was outside US and I would see a lot of trees besides the road, and I'm sure that in 5 years this road will be a scenic road where everybody will like to come to drive this path to Aldona. And Aldona has been one of the best village in Goa, in the country, as they say. And I would see a lot of youngsters planting trees in this month, being a Vanamotsav day today, at their homes, in their fields, everywhere. People should not talk only about destruction, focus on that. We should find solution as well, find solutions. And this is one solution that we can, a community coming together and planting trees.
Youngsters of Aldona constituency, यांच्यानी आज वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डे ह्याच्या दिसा कार्यक्रम घडोवन हाडला. संगम, शबानी, मेटसन हे येयले म्हाजे कडेन आनी ते रिक्वेस्ट केली बरो स्ट्रेच आहा वो मोयरा टू बस्तोरा टू मोयरा रोड, थंयसर आमी हे करता वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डे दिसा आमी झाडां हे करता. सो हांव म्हाजे कलीग राजन नारोजी हेका घेवन आमी प्लेस आयडेंटिफाय केल्या. पोस्ट शेतकारांक आमी थोड्यांक सांगला आनी थोडे बिलींनी आमी फोन करून सांगतले, हितून नो डावट. हांव पयले सुवातेर आमच्या ऑनरेबल MLA चडांत चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, कित्याक तेणें टायम काडून येयला हे बरें कोत, हे यंगस्टरांक तेणें बूस्ट केला. सो हे वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डे दिसा आनी अशेंच तेजो सपोर्ट सगळ्या कामांक आसता. हे तुमी सगळे डेव्हलपमेंट पळयता, हे तेज्याच आशिर्वादान आनी फुडें तेज्याच आशिर्वादान आनीक जायती कामां जातली, हितून कांय डावट ना.
World Environment Day, where everybody was talking about problems of climate change. Our group, me, Matson and Shabani, along with the youngsters of Aldona constituency, we decided to have this plantation drive in a public place. We have purposely chosen this road because the entire Aldona constituency crosses this path at least once a day. So the motive of this drive is to inspire people and inspire people to plant more and more trees. And this is the best time to plant trees because this is the start of the monsoon.
I'm Shabani Shirodkar, and Forest Department of Goa has given us 50 saplings for plantation. It is also available for others who are willing to plant at public places or at their homes. One plant is only 15 rupees. I appeal to people to go purchase and buy, or if not, tell us, we'll purchase for them and we'll distribute.